begins before Memorial Weekend and can be enjoyed long after the 4th of July fireworks have faded. What is the "it" we're referring to? The red, white, and blue decorations that adorn homes and neighborhoods and towns across the country, of course. Seeing these decorations puts us in a loyal and proud mood. Create your own red, white, and blue decor with this Patriotic ribbon banner. You can purchase ribbon in a variety of patriotic colors at craft stores, or cut your own ribbons of various lengths and widths from scraps of materials in any variety of the red, white, and blue color scheme. You'll want to carefully put this decoration away after the holidays and haul it out year after year.